Hello everyone, I'm Terry. You're watching Crafty Clefty. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, thank you so much. Now I made these little door hangers. They can be for a holiday, they can be for anything you want. So I made mine double-sided. So if you like it and want to make something similar, then just stay tuned and watch the video. It's coming right up. Yeah, I'm making a fall holiday craft. You get these from Dollar Tree. I already painted mine. And I got the napkin. I think I got it from Dollar Tree. I got king crumb. That one I made. This one I just cut out. And I'm going to add letters to it. And I'm going to add words. So I'm going to start painting the Mod Podge on here and placing the napkin. I'm going to place the napkin 2 different ways. That way it won't be exactly the same pattern. So, okay. Now when you do this, make sure you have every nook and cranny covered. Otherwise you'll wind up with a bubble. I'm going to take my napkin, and separate it. Well, I might have to use tape. Tape down here. Okay, now we can just pull it apart. Now what I'm going to do is, this is going to be down. Put this down. And do the nicer edge. And I'm going to start at the bottom and just work my way up. And do the same thing for both of them. Okay. Now, that's how it's supposed to look. And the orange is going to show, the orange is going to show through. That's what I want. And on this one, the green is going to show through. Okay, that looks good. Press it down. And I'm going to start cleaning. Now when you take your, okay, that's okay. When you take your file, or your sanding block, go up, and then down. Up, and then down. Okay. Now we're cleaning this. Up, down. And you're going to see how clean those edges. That's what you want. When you do the whole thing, both of them. I've got the green one here. And they look a little different. Orange and green. Got both of these cleaned. And I picked out some letters. One side will be silver, the other side will be gold. And I'm thinking the gold won't show up too much on the orange, but it will here. So we're going to gold here, silver here, and I'm not sure about the placement yet. Now when you place your letters, count. Mine has 12. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start in the middle, find my middle, and then one letter will go here and one here. Now I'll probably go up some so I can put a border on it and make it really pretty. And so my two letters will be N and A. So this one's going to be the gold. Going up. And my letters will probably touch oh, the end goes on the other side. I already messed up. Okay, N. Then A. You want to take the little, there's little things in here you want to take out. There you go. And you can do this however you want, and that's just how I'm going to do it. I'm going to finish up here, and I'll show you what it looks like. I have my letters on. You can put your letters however you want for whatever message you want. And I did both silver and gold. This one I didn't have enough gold, so some of those are silver, and it coordinates. And I am going to Mod Podge over this so that the letters stay. And I'm just going to put little king crowns up here. And I don't know which one I'm going to put, but I'm going to outline this with something pretty. Okay, so I'm going to put this on, not all the way to the top. And this one not all the way to the top. Okay. Now with this, it wasn't staying on too well, so I Mod Podged it. Now you gotta be careful when you're Mod Podging because letters can get out of alignment. And if it's too bad, you might accidentally switch up the letters. What I did, but with it being wet and still sticky, I was able to correct the problem. So, do the same thing on this side. And I am going to put a one string border around here. And this side, the blue will bring the blue king crown. And I don't know if this is going to show up too well or not because it's kind of green on green. But we're going to see it, we're going to try it. And I'm going to put some glue over the whole thing. And I might put some silver around here. I'm not sure yet, but I'm going to get started. Now I'm going to put a little glue here. I'm going to cut this to size. Now what I'm doing now is I'm just gluing this all the way around. Oh, I got out of place. Okay. Now, up here, you need to go like 1 or 2 pieces, because otherwise it's not going to look right. I want it to be a curve, so 1 and 2 pieces. And it's to be, I know it's kind of blingy, but that's okay. So I'm just going to do 2. And that looks good. Now, I'm just use the school glue for this one, like that. And then I'm going to go over it with modgpoge. There you go. You're going to see how that's making a nice curve. Okay, I want this. And I'm just going to finish up. I'm going to do this one too. Hello, I hope you enjoyed the video you just saw. And I hope it's inspired you to do a craft and have fun with it. And mine are ideas that you can do. And I hope you come back and watch my other future videos. And I do have a lot of past videos that you can watch, give you some ideas of what you can, other things you can do. And I've got crafty clefty crafts, crafty clefty motivationals, and crafty clefty greetings. And hope to see you next time. Hope you like it enough that you subscribe, like, and interact. And remember, most of all, have fun. That's what this video is all about. Fun. Okay, I'll see you next time. Hopefully. Bye-bye.